I don't think there's any fixing this. Yeah, this is just how I'm going to look. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have no excuse for how I look. I just was running around today and went to the gym and then had a bunch of stuff because we're traveling next week. But here I am doing this quick video because it is time for me to put my hair to rest for a little bit. In the sense that tomorrow I'm going to get a sewn-in put in, and it's not something that I grew up doing at all, but in the last few years I think I've used it a sewn-in twice. One was for my wedding because I needed longer hair for the style I wanted, and then I kept that hair and kept using it whenever I wanted to have fuller straight hair. And since I do not want to straighten the rest of my hair and the leave out or whatever, I kind of stopped doing sewn-ins. But I think in the past year or two, I've really only done it 3 times to the max. Tomorrow will be my 4th or whatever. It really is a handful of time. But tomorrow, nonetheless, I am going to just give my hair a little bit of a break. I think it's been a while since the last time I could have put it in a protective style. Last time was Super Bowl when I did my crochet braids. And I think I'm just ready, especially with traveling and all, to kind of take a break on my transition as far as it goes. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm going for a half sewn-in style, and honestly, I got super inspired by Vicky Logan. Vicky Logan, I don't know if you follow her, I'll put her video down below or up here. She did like a half braided updo. I think it was inspired by Beyonce, but nonetheless, she inspired me to do it. So today, I am just prepping my hair for this. My braider just needs my hair to be blow dried, so that's what I'm gonna do. Detangle my hair in the shower, do a deep conditioner because it's been a little bit, and then yeah, just blow dry it. One thing I really was hoping to get to show you today was this new line that came out from Mayel Organics. It is, actually I picked the right one. It is the Hawaiian Ginger line, and it's new, and they were running a sale for $7 each. This is not sponsored, hello. But I really wanted to try this one on camera. It is the Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner, and it is something that you put overnight, and I really wanted to try it last night, but it didn't come until just right now as I came back home from the gym. My appointment tomorrow is too early for me to do this and then do the whole wash process. So it will be for another video, but I received this from that line, as well as the moisturizing hair butter that I will be probably trying at the same time. Probably when I do the takedown, then I'll use this and then put that in. So video to come. Just to let you know, I'm gonna not really take you through my wash day routine because it's kind of irrelevant for this video. I just wanted to show you the hair I decided to pick. It is, I always get, to be completely full disclosure, super confused and overwhelmed when I'm at the beauty store because I'm not, like I said, sewn in and all of that is not really my forte or things I've been doing, so I never know which hair to pick. So I went for this one, which is the Simply 100% non-processed human hair, and I really want to go for a style as opposed to I mean, good for her, it's not a criticism or whatever, but I typically for sewn-in want to stay as natural to my hair texture and my hairstyle because I just feel like then I don't know what to do with it. So I want to just stay as close to my natural hair, quote unquote, and styles I would do. So I picked three bundles of what it's called. It's called Natural Brown, and it's 18 inches, so not super long. I know I think she did it with 26 inches bundles, and to me that's just too long. Like, I feel like it would get in my way. I just do this to really rest my hair, not to, you know, have to maintain something that I'm not used to. And that, I think, is the closest to the texture that I would typically want to rock, which is kind of look like a braid out, to be honest. So that's kind of what I went for. I didn't go for the jet black because my hair is lighter than that, and I wanted to just look natural and not have, I think I just wanted to go for the all natural look, like it could be my hair. I don't know, the mic's right here, so I wonder if we're gonna hear the crunch. Come here. Come here.
Yeah?
The husband is making an appearance. So if you hear crunchy, it's the husband with the chips. Okay, thanks. So I'm just going for the look that could actually be my hair. So I took 3 bundles, that's what she had, and it looked full, and I don't want it to be too full either because then it will look unnatural and unmanageable and all of that. I am a little bit curious as to, I know you can style these because they're unprocessed, so you could technically like dye them, bleach them, and like flat iron it and all, but I don't know if it will revert, so I probably won't straighten it. Yeah, so the reason the bundles are not in the packaging anymore is because I prepped them. Whitney from Natural 85 has a great DIY, like cleaning the bundle or synthetic or whatever hair you buy before you put them in so they don't get itchy. So that's what I did. It's an apple cider vinegar rinse where you just let it soak for an hour or so and then you just rinse it out, so that's why it's not in. And it actually, I think it's really nice. I'm hoping that the label is correct, that it is 100% natural hair, non-processed hair. But it feels really nice. I hope it holds up nicely and that it's going to be easy to maintain. I also picked up these 2 things that are kind of, this brand is On Natural and this one is Next Image. This one is the Natural Remy Unprocessed Hair. It's natural hair essence, and it's a spray to kind of moisturize Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, Indian, and all virgin type hair types. So I just wanted this to refresh it if I need to moisturize it lightly. And this hair odor neutralizer, that is for natural or human and synthetic or wigs, and it's the Next Image avocado and shea butter. I've never used these before. I just kind of saw them. They were together, they were cheaper than I think the Shea Moisture jojoba oil and okuba butter line that is for protective style prep. It was $10 for a little misty thing, and this one was $5.99 and this one was $4.99. So I think combined with taxes included and all of that, they're pretty much the same for 2 separate usage. So that's why I went for that. I will let you know if they work or if I like them. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair, prep it, blow dry it, and I will see you probably tomorrow morning when we are ready to get my hair braided. So I am here ready to go and nicely blow dried, so I'm gonna go in and we're gonna get started.
On va faire les tissages d'abord.
Ok, pour voir derrière. Voilà, terminé la partie tissage. C'est super beau. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I actually didn't just come back. We went to the mall in the meantime, but this is what it looks like. I got there at like 9:30 and I was done by like 1:30. So it took a little bit of time. My first impression is it is much longer than I expected. I went with 18 inches thinking it was actually going to be like shorter length and kind of what my hair is at, naturally, but it's much longer. But not too long, so I'm alright. I'm kind of happy that I didn't go 20 or something, but I could have gone 16 inches or 14 inches. And it would have looked a lot more natural too. We used 2 3/4 of a pack, but yeah, I'm overall pretty satisfied. The hair feels really natural, and the plan is to keep the hair for about 2-3 weeks. 3 weeks would be great, 4 weeks would be awesome. That would just give me and my hair a little bit of a rest, and to go to bed I'm just gonna do the pineapple and kind of refresh whenever I need to. And if you are interested, I can do a video about how I maintain these. Let me do a little bit of a close-up here so you can see. the hair feels really luxurious and low maintenance, and I already washed it like I said, so I know it's going to be pretty easy to maintain. So she just cornrowed here and then wrapped around. I do have to say, I think this part is still a little high to my liking, but hopefully it like settles after a bit. And also I know I'll have to readjust a bunch of time because you can kind of see where the sewed part is. So, but other than that, this is what it's looking like, and it's really nice. And I know the baby hair isn't done because I just didn't feel like doing it today because it is still kind of tight, but you know, there's a nice amount to do something cute without being too extravagant and over engineering that part. And actually I love that these women, because they really take care of asking you what you want to do with your edges. They don't just go ahead and rip them. If you tell them I just don't want them included, they'll just leave them out. They're just really sensitive to listening to how you want your scalp to feel. If it's too tight or whatever, they don't just rip your hair. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching it, and if you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like it. I will also link Vicky Logan's video, and also the stylist that did hers, because we kind of really followed her video through and through when my stylist had some questions or wasn't sure what she was doing. So I'll make sure to give credit where credit is due. Until then, I will see you next time.